Let's make some oatmeal. Over 90% of my clients complain that tracking calories takes too much time and it's too hard to do. So here's one meal that we're gonna do together so you can see how fast this takes. If you eat the same breakfast every single day, that is one less decision that you have to make. Maple brown sugar, I like to use 2 packs of fat-free Fairlife milk. I like it because it has a high amount of protein, 13 grams per cup. 1 cup. One serving size is 2 tablespoons or 26 grams until we get to 26. I have seen people put their protein powder inside of oatmeal and then warm it up. I'm not a fan of that. It gets too chalky. I don't like that. So anyway, what we're gonna do is put this in the microwave for 2 minutes. All right, let's check our text. No text from the girlfriend yet. This is probably the longest part in this process, is just waiting for the oatmeal to warm up. I like to do 2 minutes with a cup of milk or a cup of water, but if you wanna increase protein, have the milk. You can get milk with fat, right? But if you're in a fat loss phase and you don't have much fats to play with, or you wanna save it for other meals that you wanna enjoy more, then get the fat-free milk. I think I have like the least rhythm out of any black person that I know. I'm also a fan of using chia seeds instead of peanut butter. It's less fats and it's more healthy. When I say that chia seeds are more healthy and peanut butter or any nut butter is less healthy, I'm just thinking in terms of like the nutrients that I'm gonna be getting from the chia seeds versus peanut butter. 1 scoop of protein, my choice, cinnamon cookie batter. Cool. I'm gonna use MyFitnessPal. I've never used MyFitnessPal, so this is our first time. Cool. Number of servings, we're having 2. Couldn't find a match. Yo, first form, what we doing? So now here we got a case where you scan the barcode and it doesn't work. What should you do? Got a text from my girlfriend. All right, we Gucci. I need to go premium in order to put the protein, carbs, and fats. Yeah, I don't like this. All right, 150 calories. MyFitnessPal sucks unless you go premium or you use my app Aim Higher together with nutrition. Awesome. And we did 1 serving of that. 136 grams, I'll take that. This is it. That's all it takes for me to track my calories. Simple as shit. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 items in this breakfast. Took me no longer than 3 minutes total. Let's say 4 minutes max. And the majority of that was waiting for the food to warm up. And that's pretty much it. That's how you make a breakfast that is high in protein, high in carbs, low in fat. So that's tracking calories in a nutshell, doing breakfast protein oats with fruit.